I couldn't agree more that the Philippines has a lot to discover. The joy of seeing new places and the contagious smiles brought by its people. You will always feel that every travel here is a homecoming. You will all be full of love, of learning, and of fun experiences. Join me as I unfold a new adventure and create beautiful memories up north. We're here to raise our flag in Ilocos Norte! Ilocos Norte is considered to be the northern tourist destination of the Philippines. It is a treasure trove of natural landscapes and man-made wonders, offering authentic scenery that will leave you breathless.
It's all in our hands, this life of time that's given to us all.
Each of us has a place we call home. It feels familiar, feels like a part of us.
We watch it pass and grow.
Ilocos Norte shared with me stories of those who chose to dedicate their lives to their home province, and to do so with pride.
With every field and rising sea.
The families of the Coco del Mar Co-op dedicate their craft to their families and local farmers, working to provide a future for their community in the creation and selling of their crafts.
And with every change we'll always be.
Nanay Gloria dedicates her life to the making and serving of her empanadas, feeding her community. Even as her city grew and developed around her little stall, she remained.
Where hope's not lost but found.
Nana Magdalena dedicated her life to weaving, placing her home of Pinili on the map and being recognized as a national treasure. She's left a legacy, one that will go down in the history of our people.
It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands.
Success, as proven by these stories, doesn't equate to becoming a household name, but instead in finding pride in what you do and allowing your purpose to be bigger than you. This sense of pride connects us to where we're from, allows us to lift our head high and say, I am from this region, or this is where I call home.